4 Forex trading techniques that even beginners can try. Tip 1. You can build a Forex trading system that you can stick to. Having a decent plan is not enough for you to need a well-developed framework to effectively implement your strategies. You can start by creating a schedule for when you're going to do your Forex trading. Build a structured budget to keep track of the inflow and outflow of your funds. It is important to understand that Forex trading, like any business venture, will have its peaks and slumps. In spite of these fluctuations, you should be prepared to stick to your system to maximize profits in the long run. In order to be effective, the program should be planned in advance. You should have an investment plan in place before the market opens. You should find every trade, no matter how small, as a critical part of your systematic approach to success with Forex. Tip 2. You should anticipate some small losses. Know how well you know the market, or how long you've been a trader, you're likely to experience small losses. You need to foresee and recognize the losses as small components of a larger plan. Be prepared for these small losses and set them aside in expectation of higher returns in the future. Patience is the key to long-term success in the Forex market. Tip 3. One helpful hint for beginners is to avoid Forex tactics that you don't understand. You should do your homework ahead of time and draw knowledge from helpful Forex guides and tutorials. It's important to be careful about Forex scams. There are several schemes popping up where companies are offering to exchange for you. These are the ones you should stop. You should build your Forex strategies with an expert and do business on your own. The bottom line is to make sure that you are fully aware of all facets of your plan and are comfortable with risks and benefits. Tip 4. Eventually, make sure you have a reasonable exit strategy. Although you're supposed to accept small losses, you need to be able to recognize when you're in too deep. Until you leap into the Forex market, you can set limits on how much you expect to spend. You determine the amount you want to commit to your Forex trading that does not surpass your quota. Be able to cut your losses until you know that the situation isn't going to get any better. While Forex trading can be very lucrative, you need to take the time and effort to develop a strategy that will be successful for you. Even as a novice, you should start practicing good trading habits that will make Forex trading projects prosperous. Forex trading can be profitable without pain. Keep learning. Keep earning. And I as always say practice. Practice. And practice. Best place to learn about stock market training. Technical analysis training. Price action trade. Fundamental analysis training. Options trading training. Forex trading training. Commodities trading training at NCFM Academy Hyderabad.in. Visit NCFM Academy Hyderabad number 406 Annapurna Block, Aditya Enclave, near Maitravanam, Amirpet, Hyderabad, India. Call +91 7702 486 328 landline +9140 485 60292.